Words and their synonyms. Ask, question, answer, reply, begin, start, end, finish, buy, purchase, sell, trade, get, receive, give, offer, help, assist, come, arrive, go, leave, make, create, use, apply, eat, consume, drink, sip, walk, stroll, run, sprint, sleep, rest, talk, speak, see, view, hear, listen, read, study, write, note, open, unlock, close, shut, like, enjoy, dislike, hate, win, succeed, lose, fail, stop, halt, start, begin, find, discover, heap, hold, throw, toss, catch, grab, break, smash, fix, repair, cut, slice, carry, hold, build, construct, look, watch, smile, grin, cry, weep, laugh, giggle, grow, increase, fall, drop, choose, pick, show, display, tell, inform, wait, pause. Subscribe for more.